2003 Acura MDX. I'm doing the rear brake pads. It's 2 bolts holding it here. Just take off the bottom 12 mm bolt. You don't have to take off the top one, and just tilt the caliper up like this. And you take off your old brake pads. I already put the new ones in. Take the old ones off, and then you put them in back. Same way you took it off. And compress your piston back in with a caliper. Just put it down like this. And put back your bolt. 12 mm bolt. Right here. Make it nice and tight, and pump the brakes up before you start the car. That's it. That's how you replace your rear brake pads on your 2003 Acura MDX. Thanks for watching.